Okay, and now our project looks very nice and radiator is away, and we have to only take care that this coolant liquid is not dropping to ground. And our next task is to remove this air filter console, and it happens so that we take this air filter away and then this bolts in here away. This is easy job to do, and I take these parts away in here and we can continue then. And then this air filter cover removal, it is not so simple because we have to firstly take this MAF air sensor connector away, and also there is this clamp. We have to release this cable in that way. And after that there is important one steel bolt in here. There is this steel clamp what keeps this in that position, and we have to release this bolt also. This is important. Look, there is clamp and 10mm bolt, and now I have opened that, and now this is free. And in this up area in here we have 1 and 2 10mm bolts what I have already opened, and then in that area there is one clamp, and now this cover is free. But note that this is not so easy than in like normal way Toyota Corollas, and this is really MAF sensor in Toyota Toyota Prius, and there are those 2 screws, and we can clean that sensor in here inside. There is this sensor, MAF sensor, what measures airflow. And now air filter console is free.